Shape's QuickFire Connect is a critical tool when it comes to speed to lead, especially for leads that are coming in through your distribution rules from your lead providers, your website, etc. QuickFire Connect is one of those tools that we can use to pull up a pop-up on everybody's screen, and whoever clicks to accept that lead as it comes in wins the lead and the call initiates right away. This is a great thing to increase competition between users. So everybody, every lead that comes through doesn't just get pushed to somebody that to work it. Everybody has to pay attention, click that pop-up in order to get that lead. Depending on your industry, you'll already have some QuickFire Connect rules set up in here. If you don't already, you can always add new rules here in the top right, and you can toggle on an option to disable the QuickFire pop-up if a call is in progress. That way, if your users are on the phone, they don't have to worry about getting a QuickFire pop-up and interrupting the call. But you can, of course, leave that optional so that if they want to end the call and accept that lead, they can always do so. I'm going to open up one of these pre-made rules. In this case, we'll do the Blast Loan Officer Department. You'll give that rule a name, and then you'll select your receiver option. It can be individual users, like one person, or it could be a whole team of people, a whole department of people, all available users on the system at the time, and then a specific assigned user in a particular department. So a lot of options when it comes to like who these different QuickFire pop-ups will go to. Then you have the option for first come, first serve or round robin. First come, first serve just means it's pulling up on everybody's screen and whoever clicks it first gets it. Round robin's a little bit different in that it will only pull it up on one user's screen at a time for about 10 seconds. And then if they don't click to accept that, it'll move on to the next person and it'll cycle through everyone that way. I would say first come, first serve is definitely the most popular option when it comes down to it. I'm going to jump over into distribution rules because when it comes to QuickFire, a distribution rule is going to be one of the main things that will trigger that to go out. So we already have a QuickFire Connect rule set up in here ready to go. You'll just want to make sure it's not set to round robin, that it is set to QuickFire, and then you'll select your department, or excuse me, you'll select the QuickFire Connect rule that you want to run when when a lead comes through. Then, of course, you have all your familiar options for filtering, like excluding sources, state licensing, status changes, things like that. The one thing you will want to make sure you configure is your run schedule. QuickFire Connect, of course, you'll want to only run that when users are basically clocked in and ready to accept leads. You wouldn't want this to run after hours when nobody's available to accept leads via the QuickFire pop-up. So right here we have like a standard Monday through Friday 8 to 5 schedule, but you have all the options to adjust that schedule as needed to best fit what your business is running with. Then with QuickFire, we also like to add a redistribution rule. So that way, if QuickFire Connect goes out to a user, they click to accept it, we can add a redistribution rule on top of that. So if after a certain amount of time they don't touch the record, they don't change the status or give them a call, then we can just push that lead back through a round robin distribution to get it to a user. The other method for QuickFire is going to be with a call transfer. So I'm going to go in here, find one of these records. Give that a second to load up here. So when we're on the phone, launch a web phone, get everything ready here. Give this person a call. When we're on the phone and we're looking to do a transfer, you'll notice there's an option for QuickFire group here. With the QuickFire group, we just simply select the rule that we want, and then we have all the options for warm transfer, cold transfer, or no hold transfer. So similar to a distribution rule, we can just blast this out to multiple people at once. And again, whoever clicks that pop-up to accept the call gets from there. Hopefully this video helps clarify on QuickFire Connect. If you have any follow-up questions, don't hesitate to reach out and let us know.